Okay. Well, that's a cool banner that it automatically did, eh? I didn't even know that was possible. Hold on, let me just quickly manage my videos and delete that. Okay, there we go. Now we need to copy the link of YouTube and post it on Twitter. Good morning, Uncommon. Good morning, Farah. How's it going? Okay, copy. Give me a second here, guys. I need to post the link so everyone else needs to know. And we are ready. Okay. What's up, guys? Okay, today what do we have? Let's check. Wednesday, no news. Orange news, new home sales, crude oil, but no red folder news. Still a day two trade. Nvidia's pre-market up $2 already. Wow. Okay, that's great. Chipotle. Tesla's pre is below. In terms of a higher time frame PD raise I'm looking at. Yeah, this imbalance here. I'm doing great. A little tired, a little under the weather, but you know, that's how it is when you have a little bit of a cold. Okay. Now, 930 is driving us higher. I want to see 930 drive us into this breaker. Okay, so we have a breaker and we have a fair value gap. I need to open up Top Step because I might have an early entry here. With higher time frame direction, we took buy side liquidity, so I'm looking at sell side as of right now, but we could honestly continue up higher as ES is doing that's what ES is doing. And Q looks to be rejecting off of that position. I'm liking this short here. Just want to see some sort of rejection. Where? These equal highs up here? Up here? Those equal highs were taken. Took liquidity, so I'm not too interested in that. But I'm looking at the short on a little higher time frame trade here. We trade into the breaker now, and we're rejecting off of it. This is 25, so let's see. It'll be 15. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit of a lower short here.
Order filled.
Okay. Set take profit down to that low. With the new day opening gap, see how the bottom of the new day opening gap is left open? I think we're going to go take that low here. I'm going to draw out sell side liquidity. And then are also going to, I mean, we have these equal lows down here. No, they were taken, eh? Yeah, they were taken. Okay, so I'm not going to draw anything else. So we have this breaker. I'm going to get rid of this fair value gap and just pay attention to the breaker that we tapped into, just to remove some of the makeup that we got. Based off of what, Corey? This right here, this breaker. 930 trades us higher into this breaker and this fair value gap. So I'm anticipating this breaker to act as resistance and price reverse off of it. Now, this is a low risk short because I didn't take any 1 minute scalp. It was a 15-minute trade. So I lose this, I'm still going to look for more positions. It wasn't the cleanest entry. It looks like we might get stopped out here. Where did my thing go? Okay. Let's make sure my stop loss is correctly positioned.
Order filled.
Oh, okay. Well, I got stopped out there, which is okay. So that was literally $100 risk. Because I don't like risking a lot when I'm doing a higher time frame position. So let's add the text there. Just like to test the waters. ICT says in I think it was 2022 mentorship that here, let me just add the minus $100. Oops, not 1,000. Whoa. ICT says in the 2022 mentorship that when you first get on the charts, it's good to test the waters with like a very, very low risk. I risk like $800 per trade. So for me to be down 100 is like pennies. What's up, Cheryl? Okay, so now that this failed, I'm looking for higher prices. What do you have? 1% already. So this is a good reaction here. Let me get rid of this breaker. But where are we drawing to? Right, we have this buy side liquidity up here that we could be drawing to. That looks like our draw. So it looks like we're gonna have a low resistance liquidity run probably to that draw on liquidity. So I'm looking at this fair value gap, this order block here. Possibly might want to catch another low risk long here. Today is a type of low risk type of trading day. Okay, so that's 13. Oh, did I miss it? I did. So I'm paying attention to this fair value gap here in this order block. Yeah, you could wait till 950. The fact that we disrespected that higher time frame setup kind of tells a story on how we're just going to continue up higher here. I don't think we're going to have a bullish. I don't think we're going to have a Judas, right? 930 had its Judas. It took out equal lows. If you look right there, right? So I don't think we're going to really have, I don't think this is going to be a Judas. I think this is a distribution. So if you can see, we had our Judas 930 took out sell side liquidity. And I think our higher time frame draws up here. So I'm going to look for a position right here. Just want to see price institutional order flow, right? Move lower to the fair value gap, then move higher. I also want to see how price respects the quadrants of it, though.
Order filled.
Okay, another low risk long. All right, $150 risk. Paying attention to how price kind of reacts here off of this order block. If we move lower, then I'm going to wait for a longer, deeper retracement market structure shift, then do a higher risk long. This is my last low risk trade of the day. What is the ES doing? Okay, ES is heading into BISI, but it took buy side liquidity. It took the equal high, so we have SMT.
Order filled.
Okay, that's 150. Now that's my last low risk long, low risk short, whatever, low risk trade. Now we're gonna trade for setups. Okay, minus 250. No, I'm not trading tomorrow, guys. So if you guys are new to the stream, this is kind of how I like to move. I like to catch a little bit of low risk trades early on into the 9:30, test the waters, see what price is talking about, and then if obviously they don't work out, I limit myself to two low risk trades, which is 250. I risked $800 a trade because right now I'm trading a $150,000 account. And then I leave myself up to, if I lose two low risk trades, I leave myself up to one regular risk trade. If I lose, I'm off the charts. If I catch two winning low risk trades, I leave myself two regular risking trades later on. Or sometimes the days of I just see a good setup and I take a higher risk trade and I don't take those low risk trades. But so far we look like we're going to shoot higher off of this BISI. ES tapped into it as well. I want to see price go into lower prices though. Right here's where my eyes. If I was to take a long off of this fair value gap, what would the RR say? And this would be a full risk long. So yesterday, guys, we didn't have a losing day. I actually caught a win off stream. That one setup that was so clean to ignore. As soon as I ended stream, I took like a 5-minute break, hopped back on the charts to look at it, saw an amazing setup, took it, and won it. So we have a lot on the week. We're a lot up on the week so far. Yeah, see, so it looks like we might trade a little bit lower here. Down to the lower 3-minute fair value gap. I want to see what ES is doing. ES is actually wicking way lower. So this actually makes me want to look at sell side. Not interested in anything yet though. I want to wait for some sort of break of structure. So we got this low fair value gap here, the lowest fair value gap. So we got this low fair value gap here, the lowest fair value gap. Don't tell me my internet cut out. Are we back?